What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to install new fonts and change the font style for texts on your iPhone. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the General section. Here, you'll find an option labeled Fonts. This is where you can access and manage the fonts on your device. Tap on Fonts and you'll see a list of available system fonts. Go ahead and download new fonts you like by selecting them from the available options. You'll be guided through a few prompts, like agreeing to the terms of downloading and installing the font. Once the installation is complete, your fonts will be updated in specific areas where custom fonts are supported on your iPhone. However, it's important to note that this process won't change the font style across the entire system. iPhones currently don't have a feature that allows for a system-wide font change. This means that, while certain apps or text areas will display your selected font, other menus and certain parts of the interface will still show the default system font. But there's a workaround if you're looking for a broader change across your iPhone. To make the font change more noticeable throughout your iPhone, head back to the Settings app. This time, scroll to the Accessibility section. Under the Accessibility menu, look for the Keyboard and Typing section under the Accessories subheading. Once you're in this section, enable the Hover Typing feature. This function allows you to hover over the text you're typing and see it in a customized font. Now that hover typing is enabled, you'll notice an option labeled Fonts within the same menu. Tap on it, and just like before, you'll be able to select a font of your choice. Choose your preferred font, and once it's selected, it will now apply to any supported text input areas. To verify how it works, open an app like iMessage. Go to any chat and start typing in the message box. You will notice that the font style you've selected now shows up in the hover mode when you're typing. While this doesn't natively change the font system-wide, it does create a custom experience within text input areas in various apps. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.